Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Rita and I'm a digital marketer. In today's video, we're going to talk about optimization on Facebook. So what is optimization on Facebook? Optimization is when you're taking something that is working, hopefully, and you're trying to improve it. You're trying to make it better. Optimization for Facebook can be different. You can improve your click-through rate, you can improve your price per lead or price per sale. Whatever is your goal, you can actually try to improve it on Facebook. That's kind of a point of Facebook advertising. No matter how you're doing, you always can improve or at least try to improve your advertising. For example, if right now you're running campaigns and your goal is to generate leads and you're getting $10 per lead, and that's kind of a fair price for you to pay, I bet you can improve that price and, for example, to get leads for just $9 or $8. It seems like it's not really a big difference, but when we're talking about 100 leads per month or per day, well, that's actually a big difference. You're going to save a lot of money if your cost per lead will be $9 instead of $10. So that's what you can do on Facebook. By looking through all the different metrics, but you should know what you're looking for, you can improve your results. So don't just stop on whatever you reached right now for whatever your goal is. You can always try to improve your results on Facebook. Why do you think targeting category on Facebook is so complicated? If you can target just men and women, you can always split them into two different categories. You can target only men or only women. Usually when you start your campaign, you are targeting everyone together. You're targeting men and women. But most of the time, women and men, they act differently. And it doesn't matter what's the product or where are they located. Men and women are acting differently. And just by splitting those two into different categories, you can see different results. Did you know that 100 impressions for women will cost you more on Facebook than 100 impressions for men? For some reason, Facebook thinks women cost more because Facebook thinks women are buying more, and that's kind of true. But if you're going to target women on Facebook, you will pay more money just for women to see your ads. And it's even without them performing any action on your advertising. So men are cheaper than women, and that's a really basic rule to test them both together. It was just an example of what you can do in order to optimize your campaigns and improve your results. Optimization is a very complicated process. You must do it on a daily basis. And if you want to know more about optimization and more about improving your results, you can follow me on Facebook or YouTube, where I post videos weekly and teach about Facebook optimization and other interesting hacks about Facebook advertising. So see you then. Goodbye.